Hello, in this video I want to show you how to share access to Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier with family members. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app, scroll down and look for the share device. Click on it, then you'll be able to share only with a Xiaomi account, so make sure that your family members or whoever you want to share this device with, though they do have the Xiaomi account. Then we can click on the Xiaomi account thing and enter their email address, phone or a Xiaomi account ID. When you enter it and send it, then at some point they should receive the notification, for example, on their email address. They'll be able to set it up inside their own app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.